Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace this Toyota keyless entry remote used for different models between usually 2004 up to 2015, give or take, Tundra, Tacoma, Sienna, Sequoia, Highlander and more. The battery you will need is a Gq43vt20t and you can click on the link below to get it online. Very easy, so all we have to do is just to open the keyless right here, okay, with flathead. I just pull it up. Okay, let me do it to you again. Right here, I just pull up, and then if it's hard, I just go across the key fob, the keyless entry. Okay, this face down, and now I see the inside of the keyless. I simply pull the battery out, okay, just like that. As I said, Gq43vt20t. This is a good battery. I'll put it back in, take the battery, and I slide it in, okay? We don't have to touch this area here, the electronics. Now we just have to close the keyless, make sure it's all good, and that's it. You can find programming instructions on our website. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you very much.